Hi guys, hope you all are well. The topic that we are going to discuss today may leave a deep impact in your life, and this topic is titled Angel Message, 10 Signs of Allah's Pleasure, How to Know When He is Pleased with You. Discover the signs of Allah's pleasure and how to recognize when He is pleased with a woman. Increase your faith and seek His approval with these 10 signs from the Quran and Hadith. And also, if you are new to our channel, then subscribe to the channel so that you get new updates. So without wasting time, let's start talking about today's topic. When Allah is pleased with a woman, 8 distinct signs manifest within her. If these signs are present, it indicates that Allah is content with her. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim encapsulates this understanding. When Allah's favor is upon someone, these signs of divine love emerge. Even if just one sign is observed, it suggests that Allah cherishes that individual. Hazrat Razi Allah Ta'ala Anhu enlightens us on the treatment of women, emphasizing the consequences of abuse within a household. The first sign is the gift of religious understanding, bestowed upon those whom Allah loves. Hazrat Abdullah ibn Masud Razi Allah Ta'ala Anhu narrated that Rasul Allah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam mentioned how Allah accepts His creations, including their sustenance and tribulations. While worldly possessions may be given to anyone, the comprehension of faith is reserved for Allah's beloved. Love for worship, the Quran, and Allah, alongside a fervent desire to send blessings upon Rasul Allah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, are signs of Allah's deep affection for an individual. The second sign is the trials Allah places upon His chosen ones. Rasul Allah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam stated that Allah tests those He loves to see if they accept His decisions. Those who embrace Allah's will find happiness both in this world and the hereafter. Hazrat Bilal Habshi Razi Allah Ta'ala Anhu's story illustrates this. Despite severe trials, he remained steadfast. When asked about his hardships, he likened it to testing the quality of earthenware. His unwavering faith earned him a unique honor during Rasul Allah's Miraj. His dedication to remaining in ablution and praying was rewarded with his footsteps resonating in heaven. Testing is thus a mark of Allah's love, and enduring trials signifies divine favor. The third sign involves transformative changes when Allah loves someone. In a hadith, it is mentioned that when Allah loves a person, He informs Hazrat Jibreel al-Salam, causing a celestial tremor. Upon regaining consciousness, the angels learn of Allah's love for the person, leading Hazrat Jibreel al-Salam and all celestial beings to love them as well. This love then spreads to the earthly realm, where an angel announces the person's divine favor, prompting people to love them too. Hazrat Abdullah ibn Abbas, Raziyallahu Ta'ala, conveys that when good deeds are accepted, 5 signs appear. First, an accepted deed brings an unusual glow to a person's face, reflecting their inner joy and peace. They appear content, with no worldly sorrows. This happiness is rare and not granted to everyone. Secondly, their heart becomes illuminated, filled with unwavering hope in Allah's promise, regardless of their material circumstances. Number 3, when a person's good deeds are accepted, these deeds empower them, preventing Satan from leading them astray. Allah instills in them the strength to resist Satan's temptations. Number 4, Allah blesses them with prosperity, ensuring that no matter how generously they share their wealth with others, it never diminishes. Hazrat Ali, Razi Allah, remarked that destiny seeks a person just as surely as death finds those destined to die. Number 5, Allah nurtures love in the hearts of people around them. When He is pleased with His servants, He inspires affection for them among others. Now, Nazreen, let me discuss a woman's responsibilities. Hazrat Ali, R.A., emphasized that a woman's foremost duty is to nurture her children. If a husband complains about his wife's domestic duties, Hazrat Ali, R.A., responded, who declared household chores obligatory for a wife. No faith has elevated women's respect as Islam does. He narrated from Allah's Rasul sallallahu alayhi wa sallam that a woman's primary responsibility is to raise her children well. She can ask her husband for compensation for doing so. If she willingly manages household tasks, that is her virtue, and she deserves gratitude and respect for it. According to Allah's Messenger, when a woman manages household chores, Allah sends angels to record blessings for her, and her time spent on these tasks counts as prayers. If someone mistreats a woman, scolding her for household work, they will face